Before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the year is over. I really appreciate all the love, support, comments, likes, and interactions with you guys. So let's get into it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Joe with Joe Allen's Pressure Washing LLC. Today I got a driveway, sidewalk, back patio area. I just showed you the back patio, and then this wall right here, which isn't very dirty, just a couple spots. So I'm gonna knock that out. And this is actually an elderly woman, and her daughter and son-in-law live 2 houses down, and they want to get their driveway done when I get done with this one. So it's a pretty good opportunity. Things are starting to pick up. I'm getting phone calls and voice messages and text messages all the time about people needing work, so that's good. But yeah, sidewalk up there, all the way here to right here. Driveway, you can see it's pretty dirty. I'm not really doing this front half or this side. Just pretty much the back wall of this side wall, driveway, sidewalks, back patio. Let's get it. Let's go, guys. It's just this wall, really. And this wall is not too bad. She didn't want the other walls done, so hey, give her what she wants. She didn't think it needed to be done, so that's all right with me. A good lesson that I've learned is when you're rinsing windows, make sure you get everything above the windows really good too. So if you don't rinse really good above the window, no matter how much you rinse the window, that stuff's gonna run down the window and leave streaks. So make sure everything around the window is rinsed just as good. You don't want anything streaking down the window and drying on it. So make sure that's really rinsed well. And this is my second time going back and rinsing. I'm probably excessive on the rinsing, but better safe than sorry. You know, that's how I feel about it. So I rinse going that way, rinse coming back this way, and I'm gonna rinse going back that way as well, like a light rinse, you know. But I rinse my butt off, and I'm not shameful of that because I want to do it the right way. So one thing to avoid catastrophic damage is when the gun's been sitting here, the machine's running, it's building up pressure the whole time. So when you go to pull that trigger, don't point it at a wall, a window, or anybody. Point it away in a safe direction, because it has all that pressure built up. And you know, if you don't have that tip on there right, it could be a disaster. That tip could launch through a window or a piece of siding. Also, this window right here is cracked, so when I apply the chemical, I want to spray at an angle and try to avoid the window as much as possible. But probably gonna pre-treat all this concrete with a house mix, let it sit for a minute. But see, I'm not gonna spray directly on that window. This crack, you can see the tape. Just gonna switch up the angles over here. Get all that black stuff off. Yeah, I'm just gonna push or pre-treat this concrete real quick with house mix, let it sit. Just break some of that stuff loose. That way when I surface clean it, it'll come out a little bit easier. My surface cleaner ready to go. Nothing too heavy, just a little pre-treat. Double treat that. Clear it off, hit that corner again. Hit that. Let's go. You can see that the last person that did this left a lot of markings. So as soon as the dirt comes up, I see a lot of lines and stuff. Some of it could be from me, but I'll post treat it, get rid of it. But yeah, whoever did it last really didn't do a great job. So there's a lot of swirl marks and stuff that I didn't leave, but post treatment will take care of it. All right, I'm done with the driveway and the sidewalks. You can see lines and stuff. Pretty good, but I'll post treat it and we'll see how it turns out. Should be good. All right, so some of this is still drying, but there was lines from the surface cleaner on it, but not anymore. I post treated it with just a little spray bottle, just like a 4 or 5%. No more lines. There were lines literally going up and down, and now you can see a little lines, but let's go. Let's go. All right, so this is a different house. While I was pressure washing, I stuck a sign out by the road that said pressure washing, and somebody drove by, wrote down my number, and gave me a call. So I'm just doing an estimate right now. He's standing out in the front of the house. I told him I'd walk around real quick. So that's pretty good.